Hey guys, Ed here with RecPro. Today we're going to be doing a pretty cool install video. We're going to be replacing our old steps with these brand new RV triple steps here. It requires just a few simple tools to get this in and out, as well as a floor jack. It should take us about 5 to 10 minutes and be no problem at all. So for these RV triple steps we're putting in today, there's a couple of convenient different mounting options for this. We've got some top mounted holes along the top here that are spaced out, as well as some square holes in the sides here. Now we are reusing the existing hardware from the old steps here. They do include carriage bolts, nuts, lock washers, everything you need. Got the jack out of the garage now, and we've got a piece of wood over here to help stabilize our steps as we raise them up. My lovely assistant here off screen is going to help me raise this in place, and then I'm going to be putting the carriage bolts in to set them in place. So these triple stairs, they actually come out really easily here. We grab by the pull handle, which is labeled pull here to open, bring the stairs out first, and then they simply unfold. 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, we're done. So this includes the installation for the RV triple steps. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.
Camera speed.
Yeah, okay.
Technically, you have to wait till I say call. Alright.
I gotcha.
It's a good start.
Well, a little ahead of myself, huh? Eager beaver down here. We good though?
Alright, good to go on you.
All right. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.